Okay, this is second class. So I'm hoping you've already downloaded VS Code, and it's time for you to start. If that has been done, you can continue by, of course, starting your VS Code that you just downloaded. So you basically need to come to your start menu here, and you need to do you see that you need to open VS Code. So once you've opened up your VS Code, you're going to see this interface. The first thing you're going to see is you're going to see new file, you're going to see open file, open folder. You don't want to disturb yourself or worry too much about opening folder for now because you're just a beginner. Later on, we're going to be opening folder. So we're going to have a whole project. We have a JavaScript, we have a jQuery, we have our HTML and CSS and all resources in that folder. But for now, I'm going to say just click on this first option, open new file. Great. So you see a bunch of options, text file, Python file, jump in a notebook. You go ahead and you click text file. So basically everything you're writing in VS Code is a text, but they are all texts that have a particular extension, and the extension is what determines what programming language you are writing. So our files that we're going to be saving from this portal will not have a normal text file extension. They're going to have a HTML file extension, and I'll explain that in a bit when we get there. So let's just get digging. So what do you do now? You've opened up a new file. The first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to save this file so your VS Code understands that you want to write HTML programs. So you come here and you hit Control and S to save. Yes, and you look for any folder where you can save this. I think you should maybe do it on your desktop or maybe your documents. I like doing mine in my documents. So yeah, click on documents, and you want to maybe create a new folder here. You want to say first projects, just like this, or first HTML or tutorials, whatever you feel like. You can save it like this. And you need to open up this folder, and you need to come here and you need to change the name of this file, name it as index.html. So yes, just by doing this, if you browse and you go to your documents where you save this, you're going to find out that the computer already recognizes this as the computer already recognizes your file as a website. Let's show you how this is. So you come here to documents and you look for the name of the document, first project, and you can see that just by saving it as .html, your computer knows it's a website, so it has already changed the icon for you. Yeah, so you can close it and go back to VS Code. So how do we start? We need to start by here we start programming. We'll start making our site. So we're going to make our first hello world in this tutorial. So you do this and you do this. Say doc type HTML. So here's what we're telling the browser this is a HTML document. Next, we open this thing called HTML tags. Open and close. There's an opening HTML tag. There's a closing HTML tag. Next, I'll explain all of this in the next video. For now, just do what I'm doing. Hello world. Yep. And then we'll come here and we'll say body, and then we'll say h1, say hello world, just like that. So we do this and we save. Now this is a valid HTML document. If you come back to your documents where you saved the file previously, yeah, you come to and you open this with Chrome, of course. You're going to find out, yeah, there you go. They've written your first application, hello world. So in our next video, we'll go through what we just did and we'll do some more interesting and more complex stuff. Thank you for watching and keep on with the series of tutorials.